guys, welcome to another episode of Mari's Kitchen. My name's Greg.
My name's Greg.
And today we're going to be making fridge cake.
You will need some fudge, chocolate, some cherries. I've soaked some cherries in some orange liqueur, a double boiler, digestive biscuits, and a pan for your fridge cake to set. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is break our chocolate up into our double boiler and get it on the heat so it can start melting. There you go, Greg. Don't eat it. Okay, maybe I'll do this. And then pop it on the heat. Okay, so now that's on the heat, I'm going to ask Greg to crush up some biscuits for me, and I'm going to chop up some fudge.
Bam! The accuracy of an ox. You murder that fudge. I know exactly how to murder these biscuits.
That's for you.
Thank you.
And what we're going to do is pour in the chocolate into our biscuits and mix them together. That's really hot.
Possibly one of the worst shots I've done for this show.
And don't forget to add in your fudge.
No fudging way. I'm mixing it to perfection.
Yeah, you're doing a great job. Do you want me to take over?
You've already taken over.
Yeah. So once it's all mixed together, we're going to put it in our tray.
Once you put your mix into your dish, you need to squash it down with a spoon and make sure it's evenly spread across it. Words, stuff, things, stuff. For baking, words.
And then, myself and Greg are going to add the cherries on top. Not like that.
So that's the Jenga, everyone. The new game.
You ready?
Am I? Yeah, ready. How's this method working?
Is it working better than yours?
Yeah, I was trying to do it with my hands. It didn't go very well.
Yeah! So now you've had a go of digestive Jenga, it's time to finish off your refrigerator cake with a drizzle of whatever you fancy. You could use white chocolate, milk chocolate. I'm using some Nutella. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Greg, can you put that in the fridge for us? So it needs between 5 to 10 minutes to set until it's gone rock hard. So once it's set, it's time to take it out of the fridge and cut it up. So thank you for watching this episode of Mari's Kitchen. Today we made some fudge and chocolate refrigerator cake. If you liked it today, don't forget to hit subscribe at the top and comment down below if you'd like to see anything in the future.
Yeah. Eat.
Definitely.
Mouth. Face.
Yeah.
Bye.
That is good.
Whoever broke up these biscuits did a really good job.